gonna taste good. Choose ice cream. It's gonna taste tangy. It's not gonna taste nice. If you read there and say mango, but the mango is not gonna taste good, Caro. You have vanilla. You have strawberry, cookies and cream, strawberry cheesecake. That's extra sweet. That's just plain vanilla. You want vanilla? Or you want strawberry cheesecake? Which one?
Vanilla.
Vanilla? That one? That one?
Yes.
Yes, that's vanilla. Do you like it? It's yummy? Just right in.
Alright, on the table please. Ice cream on the table, alright?
Yeah, most of ice cream. So I don't want one straw. Nice. And that's all I need. One carrot ice cream. And look at Ariah ice cream. And I'm putting that. And carrot a joke. Sorry, you make your sister finish before you? Yeah. You alright? Okay, baby? Okay, touch it. One sit down. One day, they will go there and play. One day. No, next time. Yeah. This one is on fire.
And they love to go and birds everywhere. And I just feel like this bird is just want to go on me. Not today, birdie. Hi, I. Oh, the bird is saying I.
The next day.
Hello, chicken. Go. Run. Run, go and play. Gotta take our food here. Our shoes. The super, then something super hot, like fat 10 thirsty. Not so hot. Ariah have to climb up. No, Ariah. Get down.
No, you walk around
Walk
and
around
slide
and
down.
climb down. Then when I'm not something that we can now work on. Come, kids. The last time we come, Ariah afraid people. She was afraid. Leo, last time we got Ariah afraid. I look for Ariah. Yes, good job, Ariah. Want to come down together? Wait on your sister. Come, go that way. One. Go there. Yes, go do it again. This can be like, should I do one new intro like this? Could I be a part of the intro? Carol, oh, good job. Timing. Best father ever, Mr. Young. Take off your shoes. Blower. Blow up enough balloon last night. Carrie need to learn to blow balloon. Blow balloon. Carrie can blow big balloons. Probably need to buy the small ones.
Come on, right?
Try it out. But them some we don't need new ones there for them. They're gonna get too tight to them and kids are getting bigger.
Look, assume so don't need them. Just a leg on that water.
Yes, I don't know if I forward this to you.
Swim come in.
Some
Shark.
a 6 week swimming lesson for each one of them.
Shark.
We could have drive and drop them off, you know, or stay to London.
Shark. swim. Ariah swim.
Before caravan, I paid to me, we used to do, you know, remember, Leo?
Yeah, man.
Swim. We used to come to the beach 2-3 times for the week. Any little free time I get, any little weekend. We there at the beach. Ironically, both of them were born the same day one time we come beach, you know. Come beach and at night or early morning then come, you know. We carry on with Ariah, a beach baby them.
Beach with Ariah too.
Yeah, man. And then we go movie. I same thing at me now. Literally the same thing. Literally the same thing. The only difference is that I was feeling the contractions with Cairo. No, I'm not putting them over there. I was feeling the contractions with Ariah whilst I was in the movie. That never happened with Cairo. I was like, come home. But with Ariah, I was feeling the contractions in the movie. We go beach night there and movie night and baby come. It's like a right of way. Well, Amelia alone, me never do feel up to do nothing but stay at home. You know? So what would happen if I must have another baby and we're not near beach? Eh? And then I'll be right away, Leo. Beach and movies. Show me how you're gonna swim, Ariah. You're gonna swim. Show me. How you gonna move your hands? Alright, stay. Mommy coming. Come on, man. Enjoy the water. Alright, no mind. Guys, the water rough bad. We're dropping right as well. You want to come in the water or you're gonna stay on the shore? Huh? I think you must come a little. We're going in the water now, back. Oh, what? Sorry, baby. Yes, it is. Come now. Black man's type of swimming. There's you only swim to the shore, you know, swim out there. A black man type of swimming. Never see Leo swimming. Oh, we never see Leo swimming outwards. They always just say come to the sun, guys.
The next day.
Hey young fam, morning. We're heading to church this morning.
morning. And baby is driving us to church. So join us and enjoy.
Yes, I'm gonna try and see if I can teach out one little peep. I'm gonna really usually show my talents. I'm gonna usually show them at the church. But I see other people have video. You know. The church usually on fire. So I'm gonna try and see if I can show you guys a little peep if possible. Alright? Stay tuned guys, and happy Sunday. You need to give God all the glory. If you guys don't go to church, you guys should try and go to church. There's a difference with worshiping with people. Look left, look right. You stop, you look left, you look right again. Ensure the road is clear before you cross the road. Good job. Alright, so guys, I have to go start recording here. This is my church.